How to increase the effectiveness of advertising and marketing in business. Advertising and marketing are essential components of any successful business. However, with the increasing competition in the marketplace, it is becoming more challenging for businesses to capture the attention of their target audience and achieve their marketing goals. In this article, we will explore some strategies that businesses can use to increase the effectiveness of their advertising and marketing efforts. The first step in increasing the effectiveness of advertising and marketing is to understand the target audience. Businesses should research their target audience to gain insights into their preferences, needs, and behaviors. This information can then be used to inform the design and content of advertising and marketing campaigns. Another effective strategy for increasing the effectiveness of advertising and marketing is to focus on storytelling. Storytelling involves using narratives to connect with the target audience and convey the brand's values and messaging. By telling compelling stories that resonate with the target audience, businesses can build emotional connections and increase engagement. To further enhance the effectiveness of advertising and marketing, businesses should prioritize personalization. Personalization involves tailoring the advertising and marketing messages to the individual user based on their preferences, behaviors, and past interactions with the brand. Personalization can help to increase engagement, improve conversion rates, and build brand loyalty. Another important aspect of increasing the effectiveness of advertising and marketing is to prioritize data-driven decision-making. Businesses should regularly analyze data on advertising and marketing performance, such as click-through rates and conversion rates, and use this information to make data-driven decisions about future campaigns. Businesses should also prioritize omnichannel marketing when seeking to increase the effectiveness of advertising and marketing. Omnichannel marketing involves using multiple channels, such as social media, email, and mobile apps, to reach the target audience and deliver consistent messaging across all channels. By using multiple channels, businesses can increase the reach and effectiveness of their advertising and marketing efforts. To further optimize the effectiveness of advertising and marketing, businesses should prioritize influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with individuals who have a large social media following and can promote the brand to their audience. By partnering with influencers, businesses can increase brand awareness and reach new audiences. Another important aspect of increasing the effectiveness of advertising and marketing is to prioritize customer reviews and testimonials. Customer reviews and testimonials can help to build trust with the target audience and provide social proof of the brand's value and credibility. Businesses should prioritize collecting and displaying customer reviews and testimonials across multiple channels, such as the website and social media. To further enhance the effectiveness of advertising and marketing, businesses should prioritize search engine optimization, SEO. SEO involves optimizing the website and content for search engines to increase visibility and drive traffic. By prioritizing SEO, businesses can increase the effectiveness of their advertising and marketing efforts and attract more organic traffic to the website. Finally, businesses should prioritize ongoing monitoring and optimization when seeking to increase the effectiveness of advertising and marketing. Advertising and marketing campaigns should be regularly monitored for performance and optimized based on the data and feedback collected. By regularly monitoring and optimizing advertising and marketing campaigns, businesses can ensure that they are achieving their marketing goals and reaching their target audience effectively. In conclusion, increasing the effectiveness of advertising and